Hi everyone, how you doing? Hopefully well. Today we'll paint a canvas, actually stretched canvas together using acrylic. The first step is to apply gesso to the canvases to enhance and protect the surface. This way your canvas will be less absorbent and smoother. Today we'll be painting night street lamp landscape. We'll begin by painting the sky in dark blue shade. For that I've mixed parts of blue, green, white to achieve the desired color. Now we'll start painting the trees and bushes using green and black acrylic paints. As you approach an area with a lamppost, use yellow and orange to highlight those areas. Begin painting the street light post. Use a medium-sized brush to add the details. Use a small brush and white paint to create the illusion of the light shining from the lamp. Add additional details to the street light and surroundings. This includes shadows, highlights, and textures. Painting is completely dry. You can apply an acrylic varnish to protect and enhance the colors. If you use glossy finish varnish, you can use matte ones too, as per your liking. Enjoy the creative process and your canvas painting is ready. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.